Hello, friends. Good day to you. So we are back with our tutorial. If you need more data about Excel and more details about my Excel work and all, please subscribe to my channel. So today I'm just going to talk about the pie charts. Like last time we have talked about the bar chart. So today we are just going to talk about the pie charts. So to create a pie chart, I'm just going to select the data from here from the sole quantity summary. I'm just going to select the departments. And then again with the control button, I will press this quantity contribution. Then with the shift, I'm just going to select these data. So you can select both data by control and shift. Then by pressing the control and pressing the down arrow with the shift button. Then I will go for the insert like last time. I'm just going to insert the pie chart. Then when you press on the pie chart, you can see uh, from the chart section, you can see in here, it shows as insert pie chart. When you press on that, the pie chart will be illustrated in here. So I'm just going to do some modifications in this pie chart, like adding its data labels and font size. I'm just going to reduce it. I will do those quickly. And then I'm just going to remove the shape outline also, because I don't need outlines pie uh, in my pie charts. I will align it to middle. Quantity contribution, I'm aligning to right. Okay. Then I will select the pie chart, then right click on that. Then I am going to add the labels for my pie chart. So I'm adding the labels. You can see all these data according to the department. All these data will be showing inside the pie chart. So I need to know in this particular percentages what are the departments. It shows this these numbers. So what I'm going to do is I will select these and right click on that, and I'm going to format data labels. So within that format data label, you can see the label options. Label contains. So in this label contains, I'm just going to select the category name and I will separate this into a new line. So then you can see the department and the percentage are coming into two lines. So when you create this table, this is how it looks, this pie chart. So when you change the data, it means the sole date, you can see the pie chart and the bar chart. Both charts are adjusting according to the selected date. This is kind of a dashboard report you can create to show your like sold quantity per day, how much you have sold, and what are the departments contributed for that particular date selling. So hope you all enjoy my videos, and so next time we are just going to talk about the pivot tables. I will show you how the pivot table works and how we are going to combine them together. For today, this is the topic that I'm going to talk about. So hope you all understand and you hope you all enjoy. Thank you very much.